Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. So in this video we'll be doing the shorter version of what we learned in the past video. Let's begin. So what we learned in the past video is that this shading goes like this. So this is same as this. So how do we approach? The first part is, I guess, the core shadow. The core shadow is somewhere over here. Now, it all depends on the light source. So let's say that our light source comes from somewhere over here. So it comes down here, and the highlight is, of course, here. And as that light goes deeper, it disappears. So that's why this is the darkest part, because it fades, that light fades from this is the lightest spot, to this is the darkest spot. And this here is the kind of a bounce light. So with that knowledge, we should draw the hair. So here, our light source could be somewhere over here, and it hits like so. So we're gonna do the shading. Shading the core shadow here. I didn't really go into depth here, but as you can see here, I think it's clearly visible that this part is darker than this part, because this part is the kind of a highlight here. As you can see here, the highlight is supposed to be there. Why does our light match with this? Because it's actually right here, while the light comes from here. So it's not really the same lighting, but it uses the same example. So yeah, light source, fade, core shadow, and bounce light. Same here, although the light source isn't the same. So here the core shadow, the highlight is actually mostly at the middle, because that part is bulged out, however you say it. The next part are laps, these laps. So yeah, I'm gonna simplify it as much as I can, because I don't want this video to last forever. I want this video to be as simple as possible. So yeah, so we start with horizontal line, with two lines that are the beginning and the start, so here and here, and two triangles, as said before, and one bigger at the bottom there. And now you just do the fine line, so you just shape it as naturally as you can. Here I'm doing the inner lip, and now the shading. Here I already did the lip as well as the shading. Here I put the highlights, so the highlights should be somewhere over here, here, and here. Also you can put them so at the bottom lip you can put them pretty much, let's say, wherever you want, but you could, depending on the light source, of course. But the bottom lip has more highlights, just because. And the bottom lip should be done right now. So the crown, how do we do the crown? I'll demonstrate. So we learned in past video that you should do one biggest triangle and a few of the smaller triangles, which is true. So you just do like this. I'm overlapping the face, never mind. And here, I just did this sketch to give a kind of idea of hair, so it's not that important. And here, you just put one big rectangle here. As you can see, there is a rectangle, and then just do the fine lines and add your details. And if you put it on the head, it should look like something like this. But if your drawing is facing right at you, you should put another triangle here and another kind of rectangle here, and that should be it. Only thing you need to do is just make it seem realistic by putting it right in the hair. The haircut doesn't truly matter. It only matters that this part is bulged out, so this part is kind of showing that that crown is pressing on the head, so it goes through here, and there should be full crown. And the last part is the eye. So the eye goes like this. I mean, I drew it like this. I drew like two kind of triangles and do the fine lines. This video won't be very long, of course, and it won't have music as well, because this is just small tutorial for those who don't like to watch the whole video. So yeah, I will do more of them if you want to. And here, just finishing the eye. Here putting, I don't want to put color, so I just will put black. But you can put color as well. If your eye has color, put color. Here should be, the eye should be a lighter on the opposite side of the highlight, so it has kind of a two highlights, if you want to say it like that. But this is the simplest eye you can really draw. Obviously you can put the eyelashes, whatever, and the eyelid should be somewhere right here, and that's it. Got your eye. Thanks for watching this video, and bye.